Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose. We're back with another video, and as you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a bathroom slash skincare declutter. It's long overdue. I have this like 3-tier shelf thing, but I use the top as a 4th tier. So yeah, I have it separated by my son's stuff, my stuff, and my boyfriend's stuff, and a section for like towels or whatever. But I don't have no space for my towels because I have so much stuff. So I'm going to be getting rid of quite a few things. And if you want to see what I got rid of and what I have as far as skincare and all that good stuff, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start with this shelf. This is basically my son's shelf, but I figured I could probably squeeze half of my stuff on the shelf and then half of his stuff on this shelf if I get rid of enough stuff. So everything over here I know I'm keeping. They're like oils and diaper rash creams and lotions. I'm gonna get rid of this just because it's practically empty, and yeah, so this is going. And then I have a cup full of his toys, but I'm getting a basket for all his like tub toys, so that can come off the shelf. I'm gonna keep this because that's a good lotion. This is like sunscreen, so I'll keep that. This is mine, but I don't know why this thing is like super rough, so I'm gonna get rid of it. This is a scrub that I ordered from Marshall's, I think, or TJ Maxx online for like $4, and it was good, but it smells really bad. But it is a really good scrub, but it is super old, so I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna keep all of the baby powders and the little baby oil, and this is a special cream because my son does have severe eczema. Like, it flares up really badly when he gets it. And this is all his baby wash stuff, so I'm gonna organize it and push it all to the left. Okay, so that is what his shelf looks like. I'm gonna clean the bottom of the shelf, and then we'll start with this stuff up here. Okay, so I think for this shelf, I'm going to take everything off, clean the shelf, and then start filtering stuff back onto it. So let me do that really quickly. Okay, so these are all like hairsprays that I have. So I'm going to keep this. It's basically a smaller version of this, and I have to throw this one out because the nozzle doesn't work. So yeah, it's just super messy. So I'm gonna toss this. I'm gonna keep this. This is Hairspray from Garnier Fructis. I really like it. Super good hairspray. And this is a mousse, which is almost empty. So I'm gonna put it by my sink so I can remember to use it up the next time I do my hair curly. And this is just like this one. It's almost done as well. So I'm gonna keep it. And then this is like another hairspray. This is from Nutrisse. This is the Perfectly Undone sea salt spray. It just makes your hair like super crunchy. So I'll keep this because I'm like halfway done with it. It's like up to here. So I'm gonna keep that. So I'm gonna start filtering stuff down here. So this is a argan oil from Pantene. Then this is a liquid pearl from OGX. Eva NYC Rockawave Curl Cream, really good. And then this is Garnier Fructis Curl Treat Smoothie for defining your curl. So for fine to normal hair, I don't have that type of hair, but I really like it for my hair anyways. So out of all of these, I'm going to get rid of this one because I don't like the way it leaves my hair feeling. I might give it to my mom or my sister to see if they like it. And I'm going to keep all 3 of these for when I do my hair curly. So I have 2 lotions here that I almost never use. This one is super old. It was white and now it looks yellow. They were really good for when I did use them, but I'm going to get rid of them because I don't really use lotion like that. I have super sensitive skin. This is conditioner mixed with water for when I curl my hair, but it's practically gone, so I'm going to throw this out as well. This is aloe vera gel. I'm just gonna keep it because it's practically brand new. This is an exfoliating body polish from Dove. Super good. I'm almost done with it. And this is empty. It's an Axe freaking spray that smells like heaven. It's like $4, but it's gone, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Okay, so here I have a micellar water, which I'm almost done with. So I'm going to put this by the sink so I can remember to use it up. Then I have this Bare Minerals brush cleaner, which sucks, so I'm just going to get rid of it. I have this Dove aluminum free deodorant. I think it's okay. I still have to use it some more, but it's practically brand new. I've only used it once or twice. I'm trying to go through my other deodorants, so I'm going to keep this. I just received this in BoxyCharm. This is the Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash. It's okay. I have a face scrub from Hydro Boost Neutrogena, the Hydro Boost line. I really love this stuff, super good. And then I have some oil-free eye makeup remover, definitely keeping all 4 of those. Okay, so here I have a little facial brush that I'm keeping from Belle. I have my Pond's Cleansing Balm, keeping. I have 2 astringents. I definitely prefer the Equate one over this one. So I'm going to declutter this one and give it to my mom. I have backup razors I'm keeping because those are expensive. And then I have all my fragrances in here, like a Victoria's Secrets one, Juicy Couture, Avon. I'm not really sure where this one's from. Bath and Body Works. Yeah, so all that good stuff. I'm keeping all of these because I love perfumes. And I'm keeping everything over here. So I have an oil spray that controls frizz, but I don't know how to say it, but I am keeping it because it is really good. I have this Garnier Nutrisse Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum, keeping. This I just received in BoxyCharm. It's super good. It's a heat protector. This is also a heat protector that I got in BoxyCharm, also really good, from IGK. This is like a curl enhancing lotion. Basically, when I want to curl my hair, I just throw this in there and it keeps it extra fluffy and curly. I got this from Influencer with 2 other products that I need to find, but I'm keeping. This is another heat protector, keeping. This conditioner sucks, so I'm gonna give it to my mom. And I'm almost done with this deodorant, so I'm probably gonna put it next to my sink so I can use it up in the next couple of days. So the last 4 things that I have is this Makeup Revolution Pink Clay Mask, super good, definitely keeping. I have this First Aid Beauty like body scrub, just got that in BoxyCharm, definitely keeping, super gritty. I have a facial scrub. Wait, I think I said this already. If I did, I'm still keeping it, but it's an facial exfoliator, and I'm gonna get rid of this, but I need to reorder it because this is for my son. Again, he has super sensitive skin, so we have to use this specific soap when bathing him. I can mix it with other ones, but this is his primary soap that he uses, so definitely getting rid of, but I am going to be reordering. So this is what the bottom shelf is looking like. I decluttered enough stuff so that my stuff and my son's stuff fits on one shelf, except for my perfumes, but I'm going to put my boyfriend's stuff here, so that really shouldn't take up too much space. On this shelf, I have hair tools that I'm going to be moving to something I have hanging on my wall in my bathroom. And then up here, I'm not going to show because that's my boyfriend's stuff, so I'm just going to move it all down here. And yeah, I think that brings this declutter to an end. So if you guys enjoyed, drop a thumbs up, comment down below what you guys thought, if you enjoyed or anything, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. I'd love to have you join the Rose family, and I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!